everyone, welcome back to our English class. So today I would like to explain about conjunction. So in this video, you will know about what is conjunction, the types of conjunction, how you're going to use conjunction in your sentence, and what you need to pay attention whenever you need to use conjunction. So without taking any longer time, let's get started. So what is conjunction actually? Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. Without conjunction, you will be forced to express every complex idea in a series of short, simplistic sentences. So what is a series of short, simplistic sentences? It's like the first example. I like cooking. I like eating. I don't like washing dishes afterward. So actually, instead of writing these three sentences separately, you can use conjunction. So with conjunction, the flow of the sentence becomes better. I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterward. Another example is Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. So if you are questioning about the use of and, but, and yet, I would like to explain later on in the next slide. So conjunctions allow you to form complex, elegant sentences and avoid the choppiness of multiple short sentences. So this is the aim of conjunction, to make your essay or your sentences have a better flow, and then you will have good coherence, and your essay or your sentences become easier to read. But make sure when you need to use conjunction, make sure the structures of sentences are the same. So for example, in this example, you can see the incorrect one. So I work quickly and carefully. Could you guess which one is the wrong one? If you have a look at these sentences more closely, you will find that quickly with ly is adverb, but after n is the word careful, which is adjective. So this is not the same structure. Quickly and careful has different structure. Quickly adverb and careful adjective. So in this case, you need to make the structures becomes the same. So instead of writing I work quickly and careful, you need to write I work quickly and carefully. So you need to change the careful, the adverb, the adjective one to be carefully to become adverb, uh, which is the same with quickly. So this is three types of conjunction. The first one is coordinating conjunction, the second one is correlative conjunction, and the third one is subordinating conjunction. So what is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunctions allow you to join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. The most common coordinating conjunction are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. You can remember them by using the mnemonic device fanboys. So for example, I'd like pizza or a salad for lunch. We needed a place to concentrate, so we packed up our things and went to the library. Jessie didn't have much money, but she got by. Notice the use of the comma when a coordinating conjunction is joining two independent clauses. So the second type of conjunction is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. Some examples are either or, neither nor, and not only but also. So you cannot separate this conjunction. Must be in pair. So the example is not only am I finished studying for English, but I'm also finished writing my history essay. You can see not only and then but also, even though this is separated, but yes, in a sentence, the correlative conjunction must be there. I'm finished with both my English essay and my history essay. So both and must be in the sentence. The last one is subordinating conjunction. So subordinating conjunction join independent and dependent clause, and it can signal a cause and effect relationship, a contrast, and some other kind of relationship between the clauses. So what are subordinating conjunction? Those are because, since, as, although, though, while, and whereas. And also until, after, or before can function as a conjunction. So let's have a look at example here. I can stay out until the clock strikes 12. So here the adverb until function as a subordinating conjunction to connect two ideas. I can stay out and the clock strikes 12. But the independent clause actually could stand alone as a sentence. The dependent clause depends on the independent clause to make sense. So this is another explanation about subordinating conjunction. So subordinating conjunction doesn't need to go in the middle of the sentences. It has to be part of the dependent clause. But the dependent clause can come before the independent clause. So for example, before he leaves, make sure his room is clean. If the dependent clause comes first, use a comma before the independent clause. But if because comes after the the independent clause, so you don't need to use comma. I drink a glass of water because I was thirsty. But if you change the structure, so you need comma, because I was thirsty, I drank a glass of water. So this is the explanation about conjunction.